Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn about qualified institutional placement. This is the money raising tool whereby a listed company issues equity shares or partly or fully convertible debentures or any other securities other than warrants that is easily convertible into equity shares to qualified institutional buyers. These QIBs should not be promoters or related to promoters in any way. This issue is managed by a merchant banker registered with Security and Exchange Board of India. Now, come to the advantages of QIP. Other than preferential allotment, this is the only speedy method to raise capital for listed companies. This method is far better than other methods as it does not have any procedural requirements like submitting the pre-issue filing with the market regulator Security and Exchange Board of India. Now, let us know why this QIP was introduced by SEBI. It was to first one is to raise capital in such a short span of time. Second one is to make the Indian listed companies independent of foreign market. Thank you.